Just kick him in the sack.
No!
Why?
He's got the hiccups.
Well, you got nothing to worry about. Yo, if you want to fall on the ground, you will go on the ground.
I know I will and it'll hurt. Can we go to the grass?
No, I'm not going over to the grass.
Come on, we gotta get rid of him. Let's get rid of him.
I think I'm good.
Chokehold. This is entertaining.
We're naked, Joe.
Oh, you're so good. Okay.
Maybe 3 taps.
And
3 taps.
3.
All right.
You're so good at it.
Well, you came at me head first.